that make it more satisfying, or
listen, winning is satisfying, Rick. When you have the bullet and the target on your back like we have all year, to play under that pressure for 4 months, and to get to the end of the Berkshire League journey at least at 22-0 is extremely satisfying. And I told the girls all year, I don't care what team sport you play. It's very difficult to go undefeated. And then to win 2 more times against 2 of the better teams in our league.
The third time around is always tough, right?
It's a cliche. It's hard to beat a team 3 times in 1 year. And I know Thomaston came out with a great effort. I expected nonetheless. Bob's a great coach. He had a good game plan to try to slow it down. A la the Coach Hunt days when I played. We used to have a pause offense, it was called. And I can remember 1 year we played Lewis Mills to the pause. 0-0 at the end of the first quarter. Kevin Janicki stole the ball. Went up 2-0. Terrible down against Mills, 2-0. So, hey, great game. We got beat by us 26 and 22 points.